Max speed. Charge your iPhone 13 up to 60% in just 30 minutes. This USB-C charger is 3x faster than the original 5W iPhone charger. Not just for iPhones. Charge all sorts of devices with the charging brick that supports most fast charging protocols such as PD 3.0, QC 4.0, PPS, BC 1.2, etc., and works perfectly for phones that need 20W of power or less. Extremely safe, reliable. Protect your devices with our dynamic temperature sensor, which actively monitors the temperature, and an intelligent PMW chip that adjusts power output. Charge safely overnight with a fireproof shell-efficient heat dissipation. Universal compatibility. Our USB-C wall charger is compatible with the iPhone 13 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 12 series, iPhone 8 and later, compatible with Samsung Galaxy S22, S21, S20, S10, AirPods Pro, iPad mini 6, Switch, and more. Compact portable. Take this adapter wherever you need it. The ultra-thin design and lightweight structure ensure maximum portability wherever you go. Ideal for fast charging at home, in the office, or on the go. Top reviews from the United States. Genuinely perfect. I bought this for my phone and my Quest. I use this for both. Would recommend. It charges things well and it had a small form factor for those low on space.